Here's a little deal of offcuts and rubs from central Queensland, Boulder Opal field, rules in millimetres, material's been wetted. The white you can see is a reflection. I'm not going to go through all of these pieces, but they're basically a bit of a lucky dip. Some of them have been rubbed. Other pieces you could still cut little stones. That piece can get thrown out. It's quite a nice little bit of colour on there. Very bright, vibrant when you get the light on it. Again with that piece. Some of the other pieces just need to be cut and polished the way they are, with a line of colour through them. That bit's a bit of matrix by the looks. Anyway, there's a lot of little pieces to look at. Good practice. Cheers.